we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this American actor, as well as how to say more celebrity names. How do you go about pronouncing it? This is a first name of Spanish origin. In Spanish, for reference, it is said as Joaquin. You do want to stress on the second syllable, Joaquin Phoenix. In English, however, it is usually said as Joaquin Phoenix. Pretty straightforward once you know Joaquin Phoenix, or in Spanish, Joaquin Phoenix. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.